During winter season, it is very difficult to kind of maintain your hair and to keep it smooth. And also following a hair care routine becomes very difficult part. Reason, during winter not only your hair also your scalp becomes very dry, and then that results in hair problems like damage, splits, hair loss, and changing colors. So the question arises, how to stop hair fall naturally? Here I have bought a very easy and a very quick way. The solution that you can use at home, and it includes only three ingredients to it. One, the again coconut oil that you can use, and second would be your aloe vera gel that is really easily available, and then vitamin E. All you have to do is you have to take all these three things and then take one bowl, and just in that bowl you have to take 2 to 3 tablespoon of coconut oil depending on the hair volume that you have. Once you have taken the coconut oil in the bowl, you have to go ahead and you have to take aloe vera gel. Again, that is really depends on the hair volume that you are having. Once you have added aloe vera gel to the coconut oil, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and take one capsule of vitamin E and squeeze it and mix into the mixture. Once you have added all these three ingredients to the bowl, what you have to do is you have to give a really good mix to it. While doing it, you will have to just be careful because it's a winter season, so there might be a probability that the solution might turn into a solid form, which we will not be able to apply on our hair. So for that, what we have to do is we have to simply make sure and do one simple trick. We have to either you can add coconut oil to it, or either you can add into castor oil, whatever you are having available at that moment. I am adding castor oil here because that was available with me at this moment. And once you have added, give this a good mixture, and after giving that, you can just heat it up a bit. Heat this a bit, and then your solid form will turn into a liquid, which you can easily apply on your scalp and on your hair. So guys, let me tell you all very clearly one thing here. With the experience that I have applied this, and I've really seen the result, and I am telling you that even you all will see the result even just one application. So all you have to do is you have to use this in a week twice for better results and for a quick results, depending on the problems that you are having with your hairs or the way you want to maintain your hairs. At all your oil turns into a solid form, then what you have to do is you just have to microwave it for a minute and it will turn into a liquid form. So yes, do let me know below in the comment section if at all you have found this trick really useful. I will see you soon in the next video with